In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix something went wrong Play Store. If you're seeing this kind of interface while you open up Play Store and you're not being able to connect to Play Store, I'm going to show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. Firstly, try to offload the application of Play Store, which means removing the cache, which are the unwanted data. Tap and hold on your Play Store app and then head over to App Info. From here on the bottom, you'll see an option for clear data and then tap on clear cache. Removing caches, which are the unwanted files, fixes can help to fix these kind of minor issues. If you're using a mobile connection instead of Wi-Fi, you can tap on data uses and make sure that your background data is turned on. If you have this turned off, your data wouldn't be used on the Google Play Store and the internet connection won't work. So those were the steps that you can try out to fix the problem of something went wrong on Play Store. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, subscribe to our channel and I'll be back soon with more content similar to this.